It's summer, and what no better way to celebrate summer than with lemonade and popsicles. Over the last couple of years, we've done a few recipes in the Sunflower Membership School with lemonade recipes, as you can see here, popsicle recipes, as you can see here. I am going to give you a sneak peek at one of my curated that I made myself popsicle recipes. Let's have a look at the After Eight honey popsicles. So this was made with fresh garden mint, raw honey, and organic raw cocoa. So this was great. I love these ones. This is a photo of the actual popsicle, how it turned out. So if you're a member of the Sunflower membership, you can access these recipes now. Also, we've got lemonade that I did. Let's see, what was my favorite ones of these? I'm trying to remember. Oh, the out of the box lemonade was a really nice one with strawberries, mint, cocoa nibs, vanilla, and a little bit of sugar in there as well. And this is a picture of what I put in there. So yeah, we also have a few others there that you can access. If you're not yet a member of the Sunflower membership, we have a special offer for you through July 31st, 2026. Use the code Midsummer Madness, all caps 15. And you get $15 off Sunflower membership through July 31st. So yeah, some fun things to try for summer. Also, we have tons of other things in here as well: tea, syrup, honey recipes, and that's just in the herbal section. There's tons of aromatherapy ones, and yeah, lots and lots of other stuff. But yeah, have some fun this summer with our professional and curated lemonade and popsicle recipes.